Welcome back to our cybersecurity series. Today we'll be talking about gathering information about the target network and systems. The first step in this process is to conduct a thorough reconnaissance of the target network. We need to identify all the IP addresses associated with the target network, which can be done using tools like Nmap. Once we have the IP addresses, we can proceed to scan them for open ports and services. The goal here is to find any vulnerabilities that could potentially be exploited to gain unauthorized access. Another important aspect of gathering information is identifying the operating systems running on the target systems. We can use tools like OS fingerprinting to determine the OS versions and patch levels. It's also crucial to identify the services and applications running on the target systems. This information helps us prioritize which vulnerabilities to focus on during the exploitation phase. To gather information, we can utilize passive techniques such as using public information sources like search engines and social media platforms. Additionally, active techniques like sending phishing emails can also be used to gather information about email servers and authentication mechanisms in place. We should also look for any publicly available documentation or manuals related to the target network or systems, as they might contain valuable information. Another important aspect of gathering information is identifying the key personnel and their roles within the target organization. This can be done through email searches and social media profiling. We should also look for any potential targets within the organization who might possess privileged access or sensitive information. Once we have gathered all the necessary information, it's crucial to document and organize it in a systematic manner for future reference. By conducting a comprehensive information gathering process, we can better understand our target network and systems, increasing our chances of success during the subsequent stages of the cybersecurity assessment. Remember, this process should always be done legally and ethically, with the proper authorization and consent from the respective parties involved. In our next video, we will discuss the next stage in the cybersecurity process: vulnerability identification and assessment. Stay tuned.